So welcome guys on the new video of TechStack. This video is a part of random gadget unboxing. So today we have a gadget which is an electric drill from iBell company. I bought it from Amazon, and if you want to buy this, then please go through the comment section. You will find the affiliate link, and this is iBell company drill. Let's unbox this and find is it worth to buy or not. So I have collected all the things which are in the packet which is being delivered to me. So I will paste the screenshot there. You will find the item or the page from where I took that item. Okay. So first of all, there is some bits, or you can say pins, which will use to drill walls, drill wood, and drill steel. So these are the drills. I will show them with broad explanation in later part of this video. After that, we have our drill machine. Of name iBell. Just don't know the version of it, but I can tell you the specs of this. This is iBell 400 watt electric drill machine with 10 mm and 220 to 230 volt and 50 to 60 hertz of frequency operation. Okay, so it is like it will rotate and anti-clockwise and clockwise as well. Okay, so this is drill. I will make a test run on this on the later part of this video. Let's explain other item which I got from the packet. So, and you will find an important thing which I am going to tell about the registration process. So if you listen it carefully, then it may be beneficial to you for meantime. Okay, so this is the invoice. I get invoice this packet. Okay, this is the invoice of my drill. Don't throw it away. It will need you to register your warranty. Okay. After that, we have a user manual. Along with that, we have a card. You can see warranty card. There you will find a serial. Now this serial key will be helpful in registering your product warranty. If I want to register it in the site of iBell for warranty future purpose, if it get broken, if it get no use, if it don't run properly, so I can make appeal on behalf of my registration. So there is written you have to register for warranty within 10 days of invoice generated. So okay. So now let's proceed to the next part of the video. So the next part of the video after the drill machine is the bits and other accessories. So in this packet I get 5 drilling bits. So one is this, another one is this, and this, and at last this. So in this there is I got 6 bits. So in this there is 3 green bit and 3 yellow bits. So there is written the yellow bit are for wood and the green bit are for steel. So if you want to drill steel, it will work fine. So let's proceed to the next part, which I am going to share to you. There you will never get the drilling bit for wall or tiles. So you have to buy from externally. You will never get with the delivery. So there is a con with this, and there is this. I don't know what it is called and what the purpose of use for this. Okay, so if you know what is this and how why this is useful and why this is used, then please comment. And this is the bit setter, or just you can say it helps you to set your bit in your drill machine. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, I will make a test run on this, so this will let you know how to use it. So let's start. When you get the packet, along with the pins you will find a separate item which is this key. This key is useful to make your bit and make your bit pin and unpin, okay, like this. So let's start the video. There you will find 3 holes like this, 1, 2 and 3, and your key is like this. You will hold your key is like this and put your keys this side in the hole of your drill, and initially your drill's mouth or the pin, the main part of your drill will like this, not open, and when you rotate it anti-clockwise, it will widen the path where you put your drill. Okay, so you can see slowly it is widening, and let's go until it gets full wide. Okay, enough to hold it. Just do like me. Now we have our widened hole. So where we put our bit to drill. So there we have a hole bit which we will place here. This is not enough to fit in this, so it makes our now it is ready to go. You can simply put do like this. After being slightly tightened, use the key to tie it fully. Once you tight your bit properly, it is ready to go. So there is a plug. Now we have our drill with we have our gun with bullets. From there you can adjust the speed of drill, like I am adjusting it. From here you can adjust the rotation anti-clockwise or clockwise. I am changing the rotation. So that's all for the video. If you find this video helpful, then please comment and subscribe and share my video.